Our topic for today is start and stop motor control or across the line starter. Start and stop motor control is a basic control system used to operate electric motors, especially in industrial applications. The primary functions of this control system is to allow the operator to start and stop a motor safely and efficiently. The control typically involves a combination of switches, relays, sometimes other devices like contactors, circuit breakers, and overload protectors to ensure a safe operations. The operation of start and stop motor control or across-the-line starters are as follows. When the start push button is pressed, the current flows from line 1 through the stop push buttons, which is in series with the circuit, and it continues through the start push button that is connected in parallel, and then passes through the magnetic contactor, overload relays, and then returning to line 2 to complete the circuit. Once the magnetic contactor is energized, the electric motor begins to run. Additionally, the normally open contact known as sealing or latching contact closes, allowing the motor to continue operating even after the start button is released. The current then flows from line 1 through the stop push button and through the normally closed contact back to the magnetic contactor and overload relay, ensuring motor runs continuously. To stop the motor, simply pressing the stop button will cut off the current flow and stop the motor. If you have an interesting topic that you want me to discuss, please comment below on what topic. Our tutorial for today is jogging circuit, basic motor control. Jogging is the process that uses quick power in order to move a motor or load like conveyor into a desired position. According to NEMA, National Electrical Manufacturers Association, jogging is a quick repeated closure of a circuit to start a motor from stop motion for the purpose of accomplishing a small movement of the driven machine. Let's get started. When you press the start button, the current flows from line 1, goes through the stop push button that is connected in series with the circuit, through the start push button that is connected in parallel, through the magnetic contactor, overload relay, then back to the power supply line 2. When the magnetic contactor is energized, the normally open contact, which is our latching or sealing contact, will close. When you release the start button, the current flow will divert from line 1 through stop push button, through normally closed auxiliary contact, through normally closed jog contact, through the magnetic coil, overload relay, then back to line 2. When you are going to press the jog push button, the current will flow from line 1 through stop push button, through the normally push button that held closed momentarily, through the magnetic contactor, overload relay, then back to line 2. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.